you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
I'm so happy, but I'm so scared.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Oh my god, like Adam and the kids are playing on here.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it
I
that
just didn't
you
expect
do?
this, and I'm like so happy, but I'm so
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Okay, so I just came upstairs to get ready, and don't mind my crazy eyelashes. Obviously, I can't go anywhere, let alone to get my eyelashes filled these days, so bear with me. But I just went to go to the bathroom for the first time, so I figured I should bring a cup up and take some pregnancy tests with ya. So I got a first response box and a clear blue box from Amazon. So I think I'll just take one of each. Okay, so I will spare you from having to actually see my pee or anything like that since it's in a cup, but here are the tests. Oh my god, that was like so fast already. The clear blue one right away. I literally like just dipped them before I turned the camera on there.
We'll sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Oh god. For real, guys. Lines on both. So on the first response and on the clear blue and the digital from the other day, like baby number 3 is really happening. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I know these are crazy times, but I feel like God knew that there needed to be some happiness and joy to like keep going. So I just feel like I know my like dad was up there picking the right one, so excited. Adam's downstairs playing with the kids right now, but I finished doing my makeup and I'm just, it's like so nice to get that extra confirmation, even though I've known for 3 days now. I took the test Thursday night when I first got my positive, and it's Sunday right now, but I just am so excited for this little baby in there. Oh my god. I was just gonna go through quickly though, as far as symptoms go. That's why I think this was just such a surprise. Even now, I would definitely say I'm tired. I was sleeping more than normal, but I also feel like I was getting over a cold all of last month, so I just attributed it to that. and my boobs are sore. But other than that, I don't have nausea. I really don't feel like I have any other symptoms. I have, though, been just very careful of drinking a ton of water, again, because I was getting over a cold. And I think that staying hydrated helps so much to keep nausea at bay. I feel like I learned that with Landon and Presley, especially Presley, because with her, I had a lot more feeling of like being hungover almost, of just staying hydrated really helped me so I wasn't in that fog, is what it sort of felt like sort of like a headache, fog, tired. Yeah, I guess like basically some form of nausea. But I think I'm still a little bit in shock because I know that it's a scary time too. So if you are watching this and you're pregnant at the same time as me, like let me know that in the comments, because I'm sure we're just going to have to trade a lot of information. Hey, honey.
Get up more these bunny grams.
Sure, I'll get you more bunny grams. 1 second. Get you some more bunny grams. Here you go. Hey. Hey. Are you going to be a big sister?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you think, is there a baby boy or a baby girl in mommy's belly?
I'm going to just not sticking together.
Oh, they are sticking together. Do you think it's a baby boy or a baby girl in my belly?
A baby girl.
Baby girl?
Uh-huh.
You're going to have sister?
I want to eat that one.
Oh, you want me to eat this one for the baby?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, she just headed back downstairs with her snack. I had a little bit, but I did reach out to my OB office on Friday, and I called and I sent a message, and I just think that the hospitals are so overwhelmed right now because of everything. I can see like they haven't even read my message. So I don't know even when I can get in for my first appointment and an ultrasound and all of that, just to confirm how far along we actually are. Because I was using the Flow app, and here, let me pull it up on my phone. I think it's saying I'm gonna be 6 weeks tomorrow. Yeah, it says right now, you see that? Sorry, there might be a glare. It's like week 5, day 7. So I think I'll be 6 weeks tomorrow. So we would have gotten pregnant in February. So like long before any of this craziness happened, which is why this is just so nuts. Like so much can change so quickly. Like, my goodness. And if I'm 6 weeks, what the app said is that I'd be due November 29th. But then I logged into, I think it was Ovia and the bump and what to expect. And when I put in my same, like, first day of my last period date, those apps said that my due date's November 23rd. So I don't know when I'm actually due. I think like the doctor would probably have to on the ultrasound. That's when they always give you like your official due date. So it's gonna be sometime in November 2020, unless it really is the 29th and I go late like Presley and then I'm having a December baby. So I don't know, I will keep you posted. I don't know even when they're going to like let me come in for an appointment with all this going on. I know my one girlfriend who's about to deliver any day, they canceled like her appointment last week, and they said just because of safety, like we only want you coming in if you're actually in labor. So I don't know what this is going to mean for those of us who are newly pregnant right now, but we're in this together if you are, and I'll definitely keep sharing any updates and symptoms and anything on my end that I hear about. And I'm just going to pray for safety for everyone. But of course, like if you're pregnant right now, I feel like there's an extra level of just like anxiety with everything going on. So just going to be staying home, staying safe, going to stay as calm as possible. I did read an article on one of the apps that was like, don't watch the news, like have a family member alert you of anything you truly need to know that's going to impact you, your family, your pregnancy. But like other than that, try not to even let those thoughts like scare your mind, because everything you think, everything you feel impacts that baby growing inside of you. I've read so many books that I wish I had read while I was pregnant with Landon and Presley afterwards, that I feel like this pregnancy, I have a whole new mindset of how important it is for me to be really, really mentally strong and stay as calm as I can for this baby, for this baby's, you know, mental health and development. So you live and you learn. This is, I guess, what pregnancy is like in your 30s, because before I was always pregnant in my 20s, so so much. But I'm rambling. I'm clearly excited, and I'm just grateful to have something joyful and positive to look forward to during all of this, and sharing it with you, and hopefully helping you along the way. If you're in a similar boat too, we can help each other. But okay, I will insert the footage here of when I told Adam and the kids.
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure you sat next to Mom, but that's okay.
I think this is the first time you sat next to me. Are we gonna pray? Can I say, I want to say the prayer this time.
Okay.
Thank you, God,
Thank you, God,
for this food,
for the food.
for Poppy,
For Papi and Senior.
and because we're gonna be a family of 5.
Amen. Yeah, because we're gonna have another baby.
How did you know that?
For real?
Let me see, Dad. Let me see, Mommy.
What are the letters right
I thought
there?
you didn't have a test.
I said I only had the digital. Remember last time you got the box of 4. Remember that one digital didn't even work, so I was like, forget it. I'm not even gonna take the digital.
What is this name?
What does that say? Spell the
I
letters.
gotta play it.
Not prez, preg,
Plague.
ment.
Pregnant. Pregnant.
For real?
This is for real.
Okay. I don't know.
You're like in shock right now. I think you are. Oh, I
Okay, it's trying not to chin.
Prezi, do you understand what's happening? There's a baby in Mommy's tummy.
That's it. It's like your tummy's not big.
Well, right, my
Very
tummy
tiny.
is not big. Yeah, it's very new.
But my tummy is big because I ate so much. My tummy's I'm almost like really fat.
It is
so
Bethany.
close to you,
She's moved on.
Mommy. I'm
She's
so
moved on.
close to you.
You like are literally in shock.
I am. I just-
That's like the least reaction
I
out
just
of
was
it.
not expecting.
Mommy.
Are you gonna be a big sister?
Do you understand that? You're gonna be a big sis. I'm gonna cry.
Even I would be a big puzzle.
Well, you are.
You are.
a big brother.
Or a baby. But still not really he likes it.
Not 'cause they're hurt.
Fine. Mommy, what's the name of our baby? Let me look.
Oh, that just says pregnant.
Yeah, buddy, that's
Pregnant?
Yeah.
not the name.
Because pregnant is when you're pregnant with someone in your belly.
Yeah. Can you believe that?
But I
You're gonna have another. It's either gonna be a brother or sister.
I hope it's another puzzle. God, please make it be a puzzle. I hope it is. I hope this. And on the belly too.
Hey, I have a question. Do you want the baby to be a boy or a girl?
A goal.
Okay.
Girl.
Boy. No goal. Boy.
Okay. You
We'll
guys
see.
have a lot of time to debate that.
Unless there's more than one in there.
Oh dear.
I hope it's a girl.
What's in my belly?
I'm a baby boy.
A baby boy? You said a baby girl earlier. Are you going to give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Give him a kiss.
Well, you want us to be the baby boy? Leslie, you want us to be a baby boy? Uh-huh. Me too.
Do you want to kiss the baby, Leon?
I can't kiss the baby. And tickle the baby, tickle, 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 tickle. How many kids? I'm so excited for the baby. Me too.
Bye, loves. We'll see you in the next vlog.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling.